In this video, I'll show you how you can change the Roblox game thumbnail. Now what you want to do is you want to click up here on the create. There's a create button right here and you want to go into here. Once you're over at the create.roblox.com, what you want to do is you want to click on creations right here and you'll be able to see your place. From in here, click on your place, go to the left side and find places. Select your place again, or you can create a new one. And then once you're in here, what you want to do is you want to go to thumbnails, choose image, unless you want to do a video, which costs some Robux, but you can choose image and then simply click upload image. Then when you click upload image, you're going to search for it on your PC and you can upload it, save changes, and then your game will now have the new thumbnail. Now keep in mind it needs to be a JPG, GIF, PNG, TGA or BMP file, otherwise it doesn't work. Now that's basically how it works, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.